So we're solving this system of equations that we got on your geometry packet. There's two ways you can solve it. I'll show you both ways. Right here I'm going to do linear combinations. So I rewrite them both in standard form. So I'm going to move this over to the other side. So it's 3x minus 2y equals negative 3. And now I'm going to move this to the other side, write it in standard form. 3x plus x is 4x. Y plus 4y is 5y equals 88. Okay, so now that I have it in that form, I have to eliminate either the x or the y. So what I'll do for this one is, since the y's already are positive and negative, I'm going to multiply that entire top equation by 5 and the entire bottom equation by 2. So that my new equations will be 15x minus 10y equals negative 15, right? And 8x plus 10y equals 176. 80 times 2 is 160, 176. Okay, see what happens now? Those cancel when I add them straight down, and I get 23x equals 161. And now x equals, what's 161 divided by 23? Nicely, it equals 7. So there's your x. Plug it back into any one of these up here to find your y, and you're done. The other way you could have done it is by substitution. And that's where you take one of the equations and solve it for one of the variables. So let's say we're going to solve that for x. See, sometimes it's not easy to do that. So 3x equals, I'm subtracting y, 2y minus 3.
Yeah, I got it.
X equals 2/3 y minus 1. Now take that and plug it back into this. Well, you can plug it into this because that's the simplified form, right? So you'd write 4 times 2/3 y minus 1 plus, I'm just plugging it in, plus 5y equals 88. And then distribute that, so that would be 8/3 y minus 4 plus 5y equals 88. I prefer, in this case, to multiply everything by 3, just to get rid of that fraction there. So 8y minus 12 plus 15y equals whatever 88 times 3 is. You want to punch that in your calculator. 264. Check to make sure I did that right. Now add our y's together. 23y equals 2. I'm subtracting 252. What's 23? 252 divided by 23. Hopefully that's a pretty number as well. 252 divided by 23. You said 253. Did you do it right?
253, 252.
252. Oh, you did? You punched it in right?
I don't think so. I said 253.
No, it's 252. So there must have been a mistake somewhere in one of my calculations. But anyway, that's how you do that problem. There's 2 different ways to do it.